We are thrilled to announce that gratuity and tipping is now an available product in Hostco stores. Here's how you add it. You can go to Quick Add on the right, scroll down, and add gratuity. You can rename that to anything you'd like. You can add guest sets price, which means your guest will set the price when ordering the product. Make sure the description is to your liking. And next, you can go ahead and say it's available immediately. You don't need to notify anyone if it's running low. And then if you'd like to notify someone else, primarily your cleaner, this is great for employee loyalty, you can add their information. You can also show them the amount of the tip or not show them the amount of the tip at that time. You can also let them know via text as well. So I'm not going to add texting for this. And I'm just going to let them know that when it is done, this is not a request and approve item. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to save it to my store. I can also, if I'd like to, I can save and add the tile to all my stores. Another way to do this, should you like to, is you can do this from scratch by adding a product. Add any category, create your own product, and you can name it whatever you'd like to, if it's a charity or donation, and then make sure to add guest sets price. That ensures that the guest is able to set whatever price they would like directly at checkout. Make sure to note that with something like gratuity, there is still an 8% convenience fee on the Hostco side for processing the transaction. Also, most tipping will happen after the event, but if someone decides to give money before, make sure you have a cancellation policy if this is something where people are having a variable price for adding a donation. Once again, tipping is now live. It is a great way to increase employee loyalty and really make those cleaners happy. You can use gratuity or what we call it variable pricing for all types of things. If you want to use it for special damages, if you want to use it for donations.